Welcome to Dream to Rome Travel Channel, where we showcase and review 10 of the best hotels from various exciting and exotic locations from around the world. Here, we are going to view 10 of the best hotels from the Greek island of Santorini. We had a lot of amazing places to choose from, but we have narrowed it down to 10. The hotels listed are in no particular order, but are chosen due to a combination of traveler rating, best value, most scenic and best locations. Sit back and enjoy the best of Santorini. The first of the 10 spectacular accommodations we are going to view is Oppanemo Hotel and Suites. This charming and picturesque hotel is located in the village of Akrotiri. This beautiful boutique hotel offers a serene and relaxing atmosphere, perfect for those seeking a peaceful getaway with stunning views of the Aegean Sea. Rooms are large and spacious, with some having private terraces or balconies, which are a mix of traditional Greek architecture and modern amenities. The second visit on our journey takes us to Sol d'Oro Luxury Suites, a very exclusive complex with only 12 fully renovated luxury suites. An elegant vacation stay, it is known for its luxurious amenities, personalized service, and picturesque setting. A classy and relaxing interior and an even more relaxing spa, along with those gorgeous views, makes Sol d'Oro a dream Santorini stay. We next take a visit to the town of Phyra, where we find the sun-drenched Astro Palace Hotel and Suites. Dominated by the breathtaking infinity pool offering remarkable views of the Aegean Sea and the Santorini skyline. There is a variety of rooms here, including superior and deluxe rooms, junior suites and executive suites. All of the rooms have a sea view, while half of them have a private pool. All of the accommodations provide a unique and memorable vacation in this luxurious resort. We now travel to the Great Value Macarius Hotel, which is a welcoming and charming accommodation option situated near the popular Kamari beach. The property boasts a beautiful outdoor pool area surrounded by sun loungers, providing a relaxing space for guests to unwind. Very much a family-orientated hotel, it boasts lovely bright rooms cleaned daily, with lots of little extras to make you feel welcome. We now take a visit to one of the most photogenic resorts on our travels, namely the Princess Spa Hotel. Everything here displays the fantastic vision of what you would want from a Santorini vacation. You are spoiled by welcoming staff to help your every need as you gaze at the wonderful blue and white surroundings. The outside areas are pristine, and the rooms are both large, inviting and beautiful. You really will feel like royalty at the Princess Spa Hotel. We now drop into the Athena Luxury Suites, which is located in Phyra, the capital of Santorini. Once again, it deserves its place in our list, with some of the most amazing sights and that authentic and desirable Greek vibe. The buffet-style restaurant serves up some of the most splendid Mediterranean dishes and exotic cocktails. The rooms have an air of romance as well as being roomy and comfortable. Located high up on the town, it boasts one of the most famous meeting points for nighttime views of the Santorini sunset. Next on our countdown is the elegant Radisson Blue Saffron Resort in the town of Kamari. This 5-star hotel is an exotic and luxurious choice for guests and holidaymakers. There is a variety of accommodations here, totaling 103 premises, including rooms, suites and villas, each of them promising privacy and beauty. Dining and drinking options are also just as tempting, colorful and mouth-watering. Our next fantastic location is the Anamamelos Hotel. This small but perfect hotel is a delightful establishment offering a perfect blend of traditional Greek hospitality and modern comforts. It is relaxing, gorgeous and very exclusive, with only 20 accommodations featuring a mixture of rooms, apartments, studios and villas. They are all spacious, well-appointed, and impeccably clean, providing guests with a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere. Many of the rooms feature private balconies or terraces with breathtaking views of the caldera and the Aegean Sea, enhancing the overall relaxing experience. Our next great Greek location is the Dream Island Hotel, which is a charming family-run establishment located in the heart of Phyra. Once again, it has those sumptuous views accompanied by the serene outdoor pool area and the tasty delights of a varied breakfast choice. Each room is elegantly decorated with a blend of traditional elements and modern touches, creating an inviting atmosphere. The rooms come equipped with essential amenities and not forgetting private balconies to watch that unforgettable sunset. Sadly, we come to the last place on our adventure, which is the Castelli Resort. This hotel is a luxurious haven offering exceptional service while the on-site restaurant serves exquisite Mediterranean cuisine. Nestled just a short walk from Kamari Beach, the resort features elegant rooms and suites with private terraces and high-end amenities. Overall, Castelli Resort is an outstanding choice for travelers seeking a blend of luxury, comfort, and convenience in Santorini. That concludes our mini tour of the splendid and supremely beautiful island of Santorini. We hope you have enjoyed watching and been inspired to visit this Greek heaven. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel at Dream to Roam to watch other similar travel reviews. Subscribing won't cost you anything, but it means the world to us. Thank you for watching.